Hi, so I'm Matt. I've been the skipper for this trip with our 9 young people who got on just over a week ago. A couple knew each other, but they didn't really know each other. So you go through all the things of them getting to know each other and getting comfortable to put away their best public presentation and to be their true selves and let a bit of character come out. And that's something that happens to all of us as we go on these trips, myself and the staff included, as well as the young people.
I look for the social aspect of tall ships because I'm naturally just a very sort of shut-in person, and most of what I do is very sort of independent and very closed off. I sort of try and go out there and do more social activities on tall ships is a great way to do that, because you meet all sorts of people from all sorts of places and everyone is different, and nothing highlights that better than just sitting in the saloon talking about your experiences and making jokes.
We spent some time talking about resilience, and we managed to do that after probably our toughest day sailing, when we'd been out there departing Weymouth at about 2 in the afternoon, and we hadn't finished eating our dinner until about midnight. And so the following morning we talked a bit about how that felt and what kinds of attributes were needed to succeed in that, both on the boat and how that carried across into people's ordinary lives, regular lives, school, work, whatever.
It builds resilience, is the other thing. And that is something that you absolutely cannot live without. You need to be resilient. You need to be able to see a problem. You need to see that something is a problem, identify what exactly the problem is, and then you need to solve it there and then, because timing is everything in sailing, and timing is everything in life. You have limited time.
Been sailing professionally for the last 8 years or so, and about a year and a half ago I started sailing with tall ships, and it's given me a chance to introduce other people to the world of sailing, which is something that has always been a part of my life since I was really young. Coming into tall ships has given me the chance as well to explore different places that I wouldn't normally see, and to meet and help to develop lots of young people.
Obviously, I've grown in confidence. I've got better at all that kind of thing, so leadership, communication, just generic teamworky with people, because you get thrown in a boat with them and you're like, right now you're living 2 feet away from somebody you've never met before. You just gotta deal with it and you just get on with people, and it's, yeah, honestly, I wouldn't think I'd be ready to go off to uni and stuff like that if I hadn't have gone here.
Anything for the camera?
Favourite moment? Yeah. Probably getting absolutely took out by a wave on the way here.
I was fairly new and I've learnt a lot, but mainly due to the staff.
Not that way!